Mastering English. Adapting stories and jokes for all levels. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our ongoing series on enhancing your English skills through storytelling and jokes. Today, we're going to tackle a very important topic: simplifying or elaborating language based on proficiency levels. This means adjusting the complexity of your English depending on who you're speaking to. Sounds challenging, right? But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know how to make your stories and jokes understandable for beginners, yet still engaging for advanced speakers. Let's dive in. To start, it's crucial to know your audience. You wouldn't tell a complex joke full of idioms to a beginner, would you? Or simplify a story to the point of boredom for an advanced learner? No, you'd adapt to their proficiency level. Let's say you want to tell a classic joke like, "Why don't we ever tell secrets on a farm?" Because the potatoes have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beans talk. This joke relies on English idioms and homonyms, making it complex for beginners. So, we need to adapt it. When you're speaking to beginners, aim for simplicity. Avoid idioms, complex vocabulary, and long sentences. Let's take our joke and simplify it. Why can't you tell a secret in a kitchen? Because the food can hear. We've removed the idioms and homonyms, and turned it into a more basic but still entertaining joke. Now, a beginner can understand it and, perhaps more importantly, use it themselves. When speaking to advanced learners, you have the freedom to elaborate your language. Use idioms, advanced vocabulary, metaphors, and complex sentence structures. Returning to our original joke, we could say, "Why is a bustling farm the worst place to swap clandestine tales?" Well, the vigilant potatoes have keen eyes, the whispering corn has perked up ears, and the chattering beans, they simply can't keep a secret. We've not only kept the complexity but added extra advanced vocabulary and descriptive language to make it more engaging for an advanced learner. Adapting your language based on your audience's proficiency level is key to effective communication. Remember, simplicity for beginners, complexity for advanced learners. By mastering this skill, you can tell captivating stories and jokes that everyone can enjoy. Thanks for joining us today, and keep practicing. Remember, the only bad language practice is the one you don't do. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one. Happy learning!